Oh, hi! I just got my GrowingGreat Grab-and-Grow kit. Why don't you join me at taking a closer look at the fun activities it has inside? Come on! So the first activity in our Grab-and-Grow kit is GrowingGreat's activity Planting in the Kitchen, in which you get to plant fruits, vegetables, and herbs right in your own home to enjoy. So let's take a look inside this activity. So first, we have our bilingual activity sheets that give directions on how to do this activity and plant in your kitchen, as well as some additional resources like book recommendations, fun songs to sing, and recipes. Then we have some small pots that you will be using for planting, some compressed soil discs. Just add water and you'll have soil to fill your pots. And lastly, a variety of seeds. I have 4 seed packets, including peppers, cucumbers, and 2 herb varieties, garlic chives and mint. Now, the exact seeds included in your kit may be different than mine, but either way, you will have such fun planting them and watching them grow in your kitchen. Okay, so now let's put this activity away and check out the next one in our kit. So next we have GrowingGreat's Dissecting a Seed activity. So after you've planted some seeds in your own kitchens, this activity will help you learn more about what is inside seeds that allows them to germinate. So, just like before, we have our bilingual activity sheet with additional resources, as well as a really fun coloring page that you'll get to complete as you do the activity. Then we also have some lima beans, which you will soak and then dissect. Some canned corn, which you will get to taste, observe, and dissect. Now, while you dissect the canned corn, you'll get to compare it to what you notice about the lima bean. And because you're playing the scientist in this activity, you will need your tools, including tweezers, and my personal favorite, a magnifying glass for observing up close. Okay, now let's check out the third and final activity in your Grab and Grow kit. The third activity in the Grab and Grow kit is See, Hear, Smell, Touch, and Taste, in which you'll get to use your observation and explorational skills to explore different ingredients using your 5 senses. So in this activity kit, you will get the bilingual activity sheets as well as the additional resources, an observational chart for you to use as you explore with your 5 senses, as well as 2 dry herb varieties. I had cilantro and turmeric. Then you'll have 2 additional dried herb varieties in the form of tea. I had mint tea and lemon ginger tea in my kit. In addition to these dried herbs, you'll also get to use your 5 senses to observe and explore the herbs you grew as part of the planting in the kitchen activity. So those are our 3 Grab and Grow kit activities. But wait, there's something else in my kit. Let's check it out. There's one more special bag in your kit that includes some additional supplies for the activities you'll be doing from home. First, it includes a pencil case. And inside that, we have a set of colored pencils, a ruler, a pencil sharpener, and a super cute little fruit eraser. I got a bunch of grapes. Next, there is a GrowingGreat wristband. And lastly, a really fun journal where you can record your own observations and explorations. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of GrowingGreat's Grab and Grow kit. If you do one of the activities from the kit at home and take a photo, be sure to send it to Meghan at growinggreat.org, and GrowingGreat will send you one of our favorite books. Now, stay safe, keep exploring, and I'll see you soon.